Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable, turn on or off the notification you receive when you receive new likes and comments on your photos on your Instagram account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to launch your profile page. Then you want to select the hamburger icon in the top right corner, and then go underneath where it says notifications, and you want to select that button. Should have a little bell icon next to it. And then go down where it says post, stories, and comments, and select that. So if you want to turn off likes and comments of photos you are in, you can just turn it to the off position right here. And again, that's the third option down at the time of this recording. They might change down the road. Settings usually do change, from time to time, but for it says likes and comments on photos of you, you can just turn that off here, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.